Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to ban a player from server in Hytale. The first thing I want you to do is actually press enter on your keyboard, and then I want you to type in /ban. Hit space, and I want you to type in the player's name that you want to ban. So this is the name of this player that we will be banning. There you go. And make sure you add any numbers if they have that in their name. And then you can just go ahead and press enter. Now, if you want to add a reason, you can add 2 dashes like that, type in reason, and then you can just type in the reason why you're banning them. So this person right here, my friend, said Minecraft is better, and that is why we're banning them. And once you're ready to ban them, just press enter, and they will be banned. I'll give them a second chance this time, but that is how to ban a player from server in Hytale. Now, if you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out as well.